Welcome to the best pick. The best hood push pins is probably one of the most overlooked accessories for car enthusiasts, but trust me, they're a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hood push pins, exploring why they're a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their ride. From their sleek aesthetics to their functional benefits, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Get ready to discover how these small but mighty components can significantly enhance your car's appearance and performance. Number 5. STETION Quik-Latch Hood Pins, Universal 2-Pack. These hood pins, with a 2.44-inch diameter, offer a strong grip. They are commonly used for hood locks, ensuring your hood stays securely closed. The package includes 2 hood pin assemblies and stainless steel mounting accessories. The parts are processed with high-precision CNC, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Made with 304 stainless steel and featuring an anodized coating, this product boasts a sleek, metallic look. The low-profile design adds a stylish touch to your car. Installation is straightforward with the included accessories. The product is designed for a universal fit, making it a great choice for various vehicles. With a simple push of a button, you can quickly open the hood. This eliminates the need for messy steel ropes, providing a clean and convenient solution. Plus, it comes with a friendly after-sales guarantee. What we like. This hood pin latch has a strong grip, ensuring your hood stays securely closed. Its anodized coating gives it a stylish, metallic look. If you are looking for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution, you should consider this. It is easy to use with a push button. What people say. Easy to install. Fit perfectly. Good quality. Number 4. Stud Pro Stainless Mini Push Button Latch Hood Pin. This is a Stud Pro Stainless Mini Push Button Latch Hood Pin. It's designed for quick latch access, ensuring your hood stays securely closed. This product is built to last. Proudly made in the USA, this hood pin reflects quality craftsmanship. It's a reliable component, built with precision and care. With a lifetime guarantee, you can trust this product for the long haul. The manufacturer stands behind its durability and performance. Enjoy quick and easy access to your hood with this push-button latch. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. This hood pin is engineered to prevent vibration and ensure a secure fit. You can drive with confidence, knowing it won't come loose. Each Stud Pro Stainless Mini Push-Button Latch Hood Pin is sold individually. It's easy to install and a great upgrade for your vehicle. What we like. This product is proudly made in the USA and comes with a lifetime guarantee, offering peace of mind. It provides quick latch access for convenience. If you value quality and want a product backed by a lifetime warranty, you should choose this one. What people say. Easy to install. Fit perfectly. Looks great. Number 3. Universal 304 Stainless Steel Vehicle Hood Pins. This product is made of aluminum alloy and 304 stainless steel. It's durable, high-temperature resistant and scratch-resistant. The rich black color gives it a clean and stealthy look. The product has a lustrous appearance and a low-profile design. It gives your car a new stylish look, upgrading its appearance. It fits all vehicles, making your car more stylish. These push-button release latches are suitable for various uses. You can use them on vehicles, cabinets, furniture, industrial applications, marine applications, body panels, hoods, and air cleaners. These locking pins make the lightweight hood stable while driving or turning. They provide added security for your vehicle. Professional installation is highly recommended. The package does not include instructions, so it's best to have a professional handle the installation. What we like. Made from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, this hood pin offers high temperature and scratch resistance. Its lustrous appearance gives your car a stylish look. If you are looking for a versatile and durable hood pin that enhances your car's appearance, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install. Fit perfectly. Good quality. Number 2. Quik-Latch QL38 LP-BP Hood Pin Kit, Black Cerakote. Introducing the Quik-Latch QL38 LP-BP Hood Pin Kit. This kit is designed for automotive use and provides a secure and stylish solution for your hood. It's a reliable choice for any vehicle. This hood pin kit features a convenient push-button design. It allows for quick and easy access to your hood. The user-friendly design makes it simple to operate. The kit comes with a sleek black Cerakote finish. This finish not only looks great but also provides excellent durability and corrosion resistance. It's built to last and withstand the elements. Ensure your hood stays securely closed with this reliable kit. It offers peace of mind, knowing your hood is safely latched. This is a must-have for any car enthusiast. The Quik-Latch kit is designed for easy installation. It comes with everything you need to get started. You can quickly upgrade your vehicle with this simple yet effective solution. What we like. This is a push-button automotive hood pin kit. If you are looking for a simple and easy-to-use hood pin, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install. Fit perfectly. Great product. Number 1. Rexka 50 PCS Headliner Hood Insulator Clip. Are you looking for a reliable clip for your car's headliner or hood insulator? This is a direct fit replacement for many Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram models. It's designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. This clip fits a wide range of vehicles, including Chrysler 200, Dodge Ram, and Jeep Wrangler. It replaces multiple part numbers, ensuring compatibility with your car. This makes it easy to find the right fit. Made from black nylon, this clip is built to last. It has a head diameter of 1 inch and a stem diameter of 9/32 inch. The stem length is 5/8 inch, providing a secure hold. Installing this clip is straightforward. It's designed for a direct fit, making the replacement process simple. You can quickly secure your headliner or hood insulation. This clip replaces Chrysler 650, 4135 and other related part numbers. This ensures that it is a suitable replacement for your vehicle. It is a reliable solution for your needs. What we like. This product meets or exceeds OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. It offers wide compatibility with various Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram models. If you are looking for a reliable and compatible replacement, you should consider this. What people say. Worked better than the original because the top is larger. They are just as described. Had to take the hood liner out to do some repairs on the windshield washer hoses and they matched perfectly to put it back on the Jeep. These clips were a perfect fit and excellent replacement for my OEM hood insulation panel, 2022 Chrysler Voyager van. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.